In this video, we'll show you how to get access to over 30 of the best free Divi layouts for use with the Divi WordPress theme by Elegant Themes. These include a freelancer layout pack, SaaS or business layout pack, restaurant layout pack, and an online store or marketplace layout pack, just to name a few. We'll show you how to add free Divi layout packs to your website by using both the built-in library for those accessible via the pre-made layouts tab, as well as how to upload a layout pack to the Divi library and add it to a page. So let's get to it. We've created a page that will continually be updated and features the best free layout packs available for the Divi community. We'll add a direct link via the description below and the info card for this video. Here, we've consolidated the various multi-page layout packs that make it easy for you to find the right layouts for your project. From here, you can simply follow the links through to learn more about each layout pack and download the JSON file for free. Some of these will be affiliate links, so we appreciate your support. Divi 3.1 was just released with some major updates, the biggest of which being the Divi Developer Api. This update provides a tool for developers to create custom modules that are compatible with the Divi Builder. This is huge, and we look forward to seeing what the Divi community will produce. No doubt there will be a number of new layout packs off the back of this, so bookmark this page on the OHKLYN website and check back for updates. As part of Elegant Themes' design initiative, they've invested in creating a number of Divi layout packs that members of the community can access for free. Further to that, in a recent Divi update, a number of these pre-designed layouts are now available from right within the Divi Builder. So let's take a look at how to use these Divi layout packs from within the Divi Builder. For this, you will need to be using one of the more recent versions of Divi. So if you don't have access to this, either update the version of the Divi theme that you're running or purchase a new license. There will be a discount link in the description below, as well as on OHKLYN's free Divi layouts page here. Firstly, we'll create a new page by hovering over Pages in the admin menu on the left and selecting Add New. We'll give this a title of Layout Test. Then click on Use Divi Builder. We'll add the layout via the backend version and then either edit this using the backend version or the visual builder. To load in a pre-designed layout, select Load Layout at the top. Under the Pre-Made Layouts tab, you'll notice that there are a number of different layout packs to choose from, as well as the ability to search and filter the available options. On the OHKLYN site here, we've taken a summary of all the layouts included within each pack to help give you an overview of what's included. By clicking on the image and following the link here, you'll be able to inspect each individual page layout, as well as see a live example by following the link on the Elegant Themes site here. For the layouts that are available within the Pre-Made Layouts tab of the Divi Builder, by clicking on the layout, you'll be able to view all the pages included in the layout pack, as well as access the live demo by clicking on the View Live Demo button. To load in the page layout you want to use, simply select it, then click Use this layout. Give it a little time to load. Then click on Preview. You'll see that the layout pack has now been loaded in and is now ready for you to customize. For a full step-by-step tutorial on how to make your own website using the Divi theme and leveraging these layouts, check out our free Divi tutorial on the OHKLYN site under Free WordPress Tutorials or on our YouTube channel. We'll add a direct link in the description below. You may have noticed that on the OHKLYN site, there's a few layout packs that aren't available via the Pre-Made Layouts tab, such as the Small Business Layout pack here. What we'll do now is show you how to download a Divi layout pack in the form of a JSON file, upload this to your Divi library and add it to your page. To do this, we'll follow the link through to the Small Business Layout pack. We'll scroll down to the Subscribe to Download for Free section, add our email and click Download to get access to the layout pack. Then select Download the layout pack. We'll unzip the file we downloaded. Here, we can choose to upload all the page layouts or just specific pages. We'll upload all the layouts. To do this, from your WordPress dashboard, hover over Divi in the admin menu and select Divi Library. To upload a Divi layout pack, select Import and Export at the top. From the Import tab, select Choose File. Navigate to the JSON file you want to upload and select Open. Then click Import Divi Builder Layouts. This may take up to a minute or so to import. Once it's done, the page will refresh and you'll see that the new layouts have been added to your Divi library. To add one of these layouts to a page, we'll navigate back to our test page. We'll scroll down and select Load Layout. Then navigate to the Your Saved Layouts tab and select the layout you want to use. Once again, select Preview to preview the page. You'll see that the new layout is there and ready for you to make edits via either the backend editor or the visual builder. And that brings us to the end of our free Divi layouts tutorial. We hope that you got some value from this and are feeling confident on how to use the Divi layout packs. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to Divi, WordPress, and digital marketing. Question of the day: what is your favorite layout pack, or what type of layout pack should we create? Leave a comment below and let us know. To get access to exclusive discounts, free tutorials, and to stay in the loop on the latest updates, sign up for our newsletter at OHKLYN, OHKLYN.com. And until next time, happy building.